In this tutorial, I will show you how to generate these images for free. Open your browser and search for styler.ai. You can use the styles, but I want to create a new project. Click on Text to Image. Choose any style you want. I want to choose realistic style. Then type your prompt here. Click on Stylize. Here is the result. You also can change the prompt and regenerate. If you want to download this image, select the image you want. For example, I will select this image and click on Place on Canvas. Then, select both layers. Right-click and select Save as Image. And it will be saved on your computer. If you want more tutorials like this, let me know in comments below.